www.phdacademy.in offers expert support in developing and modifying network protocols for VANET, MANET, and FANET, using C++ with Omnet++, INET, and Veins frameworks. We help simulate realistic vehicular mobility, flying ad hoc network dynamics, and wireless sensor behaviors for accurate research models. Our services include protocol stack implementation, coding assistance, debugging, and performance evaluation. With over 10 years of experience, we guide you from coding to publication in top journals like IEEE and SCI. Partner with us for comprehensive, reliable simulation and protocol development support tailored to your research needs. Visit www.phdacademy.in. Call WhatsApp +91 8870457435. Let's bring your AI-enabled network simulation projects to life with proven expertise and dedicated support.